Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna talk about price increase in Chanel. So this time Chanel increased again. After this year, July they increased like 10 to 15%. For like a classic line was already increased this July, but it was increased again as of November 3rd. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about it quickly, one by one. So for the classic flat, maxi size was this July, it was 9,200. Now, as of November 3rd, it became 10K. So it's like really crazy. It's like 8%, almost 9% increased. And the jumbo size, which is a large size classic flat, it was 8,500 this July, and it became 9,500, which is 11.8% increased. And the medium classic flat this July, it was 7,800. Now it became 8,800. It's 12.8% increased. It is crazy. Yeah, you have to spend almost 10K for Chanel classic flat. Who knew? I would say rather than buying Chanel classic flat bags, I would buy some Hermes, Birkin, or Kelly or Lindy bag. I would buy those than this Chanel classic bag because they are just keep increasing every 3 months, 6 months. They keep increasing the price only, but the quality is the same. So what's the point to buy the more expensive same bag? So if you have already classic flat bag enough, you are lucky. But I don't think I'm gonna get any classic flat going forward, or I don't know. At some point I might change my mind, but right now I am not into any classic flat because I don't think it worth to pay that amount of price for the same quality, same bag. So yeah, medium classic flat was 7,800 and it became 8,800, and small classic flat was 7,100 this July and it became 8,200, which is 15%, over 15% increased from July. So it is crazy price increase, I would say. Now let's move on to rectangular mini and square mini. So as I checked from the homepage, so pretty much everything is like increased, but rectangular mini supposed to be from 4,400, 5,000 as of November 3rd, but so far it looks same, but they might increase at some point. So it's same price. Also square mini is same price as 4,200. They were saying it's gonna be increased from 4,400 to 5,000, but it was not increased yet, but it might increase soon. I think it's gonna pretty much gonna happen. So let's talk about 19 bag and boy and reissue. So it seems like the 19 bag and boy, it's not increased yet, because when I check the homepage, it is same as July price, which is 19 max was 6,900. It's same in homepage now, and 19 larger size was 6,300 and 19 small size was 5,700. So the price of a 19 bag is still same, but it might increase soon. I'm not sure when. And the boy bag also hasn't increased yet, because when I checked homepage, it was boy large size was 6,200, which is same as July price, and the boy medium also 5,900, which is same price as July, and small boy bag is 5,400. So still it's not changed yet, but we don't know when it's gonna be changed. So 19 bag and the boy bag is still same price in homepage. Hopefully it doesn't change soon. I was checking reissue 2.55. So the largest size with the black metal hardware was 10K. It's a really expensive, and it's same as like Chanel Classic. And 2.55 large size, the regular black color was 8,500 as I know, and it changed to 9,500. So I need to check one more time, but seems like it's increased. And medium size as well. Medium size was 7,800 July, now 8,800. So yeah, I think reissue has increased a little bit. I'm not sure. Mini seems same price, which is 4,400 as July. For the WOC, wallet on chain, some are increased, some are not, I think. So as I remember, the classic WOC was 2,650 July, now 2,950, almost $3,000. Chanel 19 WOC was around 3,000 as I remember, and now it's 3,600 up to 4,000. And the boy is same, I think, which is 3,000 boy WOC. So the WOC is not really increased, but some are increased a little bit. And the Coco handle is also same price as 4,700. Now I can talk about what I really want to buy from 22C Cruise 2022 collection. I can see many like denim. The material is made of denim. And I see some mini flat bag, which is very similar size as a square mini. But when I checked the specific size, it was a little bit different. It's a little bit wider than square mini, but almost same shape and size. So there's a denim mini flap, which is 4,300. I really want to get it. There is a denim WOC as well. The denim WOC was 3,400. So I really want to get this one as well. It's so cute with the crush board. And there's a very cute light pink velvet material mini flat bag, which is 4,500, and the same size and style in suede in black. That mini flat bag is 4,600. Those are really cute. I think the cell phone, iPhone will fit pretty much, because when I check the dimension, the cell phone should fit. So I really want to get the light pink one in velvet. And there was a gradient metallic pink and gold mixed color mini flat bag. This is so cute. iPhone gonna fit in this mini flat bag, I believe. And it was $4,800. This is so pretty. I wanna get this one as well. And there's a little bit unique style one, which is also mini flat bag. It's a white with a white color, and there's some metal decoration on white color bag. And it's a $6,700, and there is a like glass pearl, imitation pearl, stress, gold and silver, ruthenium, finished metal, so many things going on, but it's really pretty. So I want to get that as well. And the last one I really want to get is there's like tweed material mini flat bag with a black trimming, and there are two kinds of color. One is a black trimming with white and black mixed tweed. It's 4,300, and also there's another one with the black trimming with the pink tweed, which is really pretty. Also same price, which is 4,300. So this black trimming with tweed material mini flat bag is on my wish list. So this is it. Hope you enjoyed my video today, and it helped figuring out the price of a new season, which is crazy price increase. So that's it. See you soon. Bye.